My name is Collins Keith. I'm a senior in chemical engineering here at Auburn from Birmingham, Alabama. I'm on the executive team of the Cupola Engineering Ambassadors, and one of the really cool events we get to put on every year is the Engineering Grand Challenges. Grand Challenges, it's all about showing kind of kindergartners and middle schoolers kind of what engineering is about through the use of the 14 Grand Challenges. So those are just kind of big engineering problems that we've identified that we need to solve.
Hello, my name is Forrest Dellinger, and I'm at the Grand Engineering Showcase. So my favorite part about this is the VR set activity.
Here at Grand, current students and professors and researchers kind of get to give back and show the younger students what engineering is about, just something visual that they can hold on to and see kind of what they can become.